Mullen, Mullen, Mullen. Beware, beware, beware. Can I say it any stronger than that? What's happened here? We've had a reverse split. Mullen is not a $16 stock. It's another scam from Mullen. I don't know how this can be allowed to go on. Basically, what's happened is it's going up because nobody can sell. Everyone's buying and nobody is selling. What do I mean by that? Let me share with you. I have Mullen shares. I have a few. It's kind of a lottery ticket that I just left in there. We've had a reverse split. So for every 100 now, you have one. All right. So they've basically done a reverse split. It's very negative. It's not good for the stock. However, because it's reverse splitted and I had a certain number, it's not showing on my portfolio yet. I can't sell it. I can't sell it. Now, if you look here on my brokerage account, right? On my brokerage account, I didn't buy any on my brokerage account. It shows no history. It shows nothing. That's right, because I bought none on my brokerage account. On my Roth IRA, however, it shows history. It shows Mullen reverse split. However, it doesn't show me the stocks. I've got no shares. I can't click sell. I don't own any. But I do. My balance hasn't gone down. They're just not populated on the system. So you can't get out. Now, let me just go to a comment here. Someone is saying here, Grippy is saying, you said you had 88 shares, Martyn, so you have lost it all. I've lost it all? How have I lost it all? That doesn't seem right. They've reverse split. I should still have a value here. So I'm very concerned. I believe it's going to come back in a couple of days. I can't believe that I've just lost my money. You can lose shares, Martyn. How can I have lost my money? Can someone explain this to me? It's reverse split. It's remained on the index, and I have shares already. I was down like $800. They were worth about $80. Now they're worth $160 if I had them, but they're not showing. Are you honestly saying I've lost my money just because I didn't have enough shares? I sold, no bother. Buckaroony, are you on Robinhood? Are your shares showing for you? Sorry, absorbed. It's happened a few times to me where RSP closes all positions. You can't have less than one share. So because I had 88 shares, it's taken all my shares away. Why can't you have less than one share? You can fractional share on Robinhood. How is that fair? They can dissolve it without payout, and you can claim it, with FDIC or the SEC. Would love to run insider on Mullen right now, says Caden Youngquist. The Mullen flow is so low now. Have not seen one Mullen car yet. No, you won't either. So is that what you're saying then? I was down $800. We knew that, but I still had $88. And you're telling me that my $88, which would now be $160, is just gone because Mullen have done. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. I'm making this during a live video, folks, asking the audience, and it appears you're out of Mullen anyway. Well, that's a good thing. You have to have 100 shares to have one share. No, I understand that, but why can't I have 0.8 of a share? I mean, my $88. I mean, is that why it's gone up? Because there's now less people in the stock, so the stocks have gone up. That's disgusting. That's Dave Mitchery literally robbing my account. It's now worth $160. It would be if I had it, and it's gone. Well, it sounds to me a buyout happened, and it is a 100-to-1 split. I'm on free trade. I would expect my stocks to be there. That's what we're seeing here right now. Put in a sell order, click sell all shares, sell at market. I bet it goes through. There's no sell. I can't click sell. Buy order. There's no sell. I can't do if I show you on the screen, Martyn Eraser is saying put in a sell order, click sell all shares, sell at market. I bet it goes through. There's no sell. There is no sell. I have no option to sell. Let me look. No. Let me look on my Roth IRA. No, I can only buy. I can't sell. There's nothing I can do. What's Stephen's saying? Stephen's saying you have to have 100 shares to have one share. So I couldn't have 0.8 of a share. And there's no way I can do that. Correct, Stephen. Martin, I had 466 at 57 cents. 3 RSP down to 4 shares yesterday, now gobbled up. An emerging electric vehicle manufacturer announced today that it will affect a 1 to 100 reverse stock. Yes, we know about that. We know about the reverse split. There it is on my page. We know about that. However, my $80 that was left, which should be worth 160 now, has gone to zero. The company hasn't been delisted, and yet my money's gone. So Dave Mitchery has just stolen my money. You get the cash. You get the cash later. If you have less than 100 shares, you lose out. Can't have less than 1 share. Stephen Lewandowski saying you get the cash later. What do you mean I get the cash later? You mean it will just be deposited into my account? That it was worth at the time, or what? I only bought 20's worth and sold them for 18 at opening bell on 212. So there you go. You were able to sell yours. You only had 20 worth. Oh yeah, but you had probably more. Yeah, you had more than 100 shares though. Perhaps, I don't know. Many exchanges have stopped selling the stock. Mullen is gone from my brokerage. You get a cash settlement later. Ah, okay. The fractional share of Mullen might have went into your settlement fund. Okay, it hasn't told me that though. Check your brokerage transaction history. I've looked there and I haven't seen that. Technically, you still own 0.88 of a share, but Robinhood will give you the money eventually. Thank you. That's what Grippy's saying. Okay. No fractional shares will be issued in connection with the reverse stock split. So in other words, if you add less because it's gone down and down and down, you lose everything. Well, that's why it's gone up. That's disgusting. Anyway, I think we've established Mullen is saying I'm going to get nothing. Well, they would do because they are absolute robbers and they've taken all the money from everybody. Some of you are saying it's going to be deposited to me later because it's been delisted. But the point is, it hasn't been delisted. It's had a reverse split. So it still exists. It's still on the portfolio. It's still on the brokerage account. I don't understand. I'm unsure of what's going to happen. Buckaroony says, Martin on free trade, I purchased Mullen at $9 and let me sell at 16. Look in history. I've looked in history. So there we go. We're making a video now. So what do you think? Have you lost all your money with Mullen today? Has it been a complete scam? Well, I've been reporting it's a scam for months. Didn't expect though to wake up and find I can't even sell what I have, even though the stock is still there. I am very unsure of what's going on here. Anyway, leave me your thoughts below and we'll update you later. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.